Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to be explaining why your TikTok video has 0 views after you post it. Okay, so if you're going through the posting process on TikTok, you create your TikTok video and you publish that, and then you notice for like a couple of hours it says 0 views. You're not getting any views at all. You don't have to worry about that. TikTok has introduced a system now where they have to put the videos into a review process before they start generating views. So if you see that your TikTok video has 0 views, all you would need to do is wait it out for like 1 to 2 hours. It usually takes around 1 to 2 hours, and then you'll slowly start seeing views. You'll see like 5 views, then 10 views, and then it'll slowly get onto the For You page and onto your friends' pages, and then you'll be able to get more views on their TikTok video. So there isn't anything wrong with the video that you posted. If you went against the community guidelines, then pretty much instantly you'll get a community guidelines violation. But if it just says 0 views, then you should be good to go by just waiting it out for a couple of hours, and then you'll start seeing the views roll in. So I hope this cleared it up for you. If it did, don't forget to drop a like onto this video and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.